Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is multiplication of decimals by powers of 10. So what is powers of 10? First of all, powers of 10 means like we are going to multiply by 10, we are going to multiply by 100, 1000 or any number like 1 in having zeros with it. So these are the powers of 10. So now we are going to multiply by the powers of 10. So how to multiply by 10? So when we are going to multiply a decimal number by 10, this is the easy trick to do it. We need to do the long multiplication. We will just move the decimal towards the right side. So this number is 3 decimal places. When we will multiply it by 10, it will become 2 decimal places. Like the decimal will move from here, one number towards this side, one number to the right side. So one digit, when we will move it towards one, the number will remain the same, 2714. The number remains the same, 2714, but the decimal will move one digit towards the right side. So 2.714 will become 27.14. Like for instance, the number is 35.899. Now it is going to be multiplied by 100, means there are 2 zeros in the 100. So we will move the decimal 2 places towards the right side. Now the number will remain the same, 35.899. The number is the same, only the decimal will move. Decimal will move 2 places. So after the 2 digits 1 2, it will become over here. So this is the answer, 3589.9. Next the number is 43.8947. Now we are going to multiply by 1000. There are 3 zeros in the 1000, so the decimal will move 3 places. Now how to move 3 places? 4 3 8 9 4 7. Decimal was before 8 over here. So we will move 3 places, 1 2 3. So decimal will come over here. So in this way we can do the easy multiplication. Let's see another example in which we can handle with different type of numbers. For instance, the number over here is 34.2. We are multiplying it by 10. So when we are multiplying it by 10, the number remains the same, 342. The decimal, when we will move it towards right side one decimal place, it will come over here. There is nothing after the decimal. So we will remove the decimal. The decimal will remove because there is no fractional part now. This is only the whole number. Now the decimal number has been converted into the whole number. So there is no decimal anymore because the decimal have been moved towards right side and it is ending. So there is no fractional part. For instance, in this question, 57.4 multiplied by 100. Now there are 2 zeros in the 100 and the decimal should move 2 places according to our method. So 574, the decimal is before 4, so it should move 2 places, but we are having only one number, only one digit after the decimal, but we are supposed to move 2 places, so we will place 1 0 over here. So our number is 5740. Now our decimal has been moved 2 places and it becomes over here, but at the end of the number we do not need to put the decimal because there is no fractional part now. There is no decimal part. This is the whole number now. So we will remove the decimal over here. We need not it. Next, for example, 3.1 multiplied by 1000. So 1000 is having 3 zeros. So our decimal should move 3 places towards right side. But after the decimal again we are having only one digit. So we need to complete our places. So we will put the 2 zeros now. So the number will be 3100. So the decimal has been moved how many places? Yes, it has been moved 3 places. One is the digit and the other 2 zeros we have placed. Our decimal is again over here, which we are not going to place. If the number is a whole number, then what will happen? There is no decimal in it. So 25 multiplied by 1000, obviously it will become 25,000. Because whenever a number is multiplied by 1000, it becomes that number in 1000 again. So it will be 25,000. Now if the decimal is in the start 0.57, when you are multiplying it by 10, your number is 057. Your decimal will move one place, it will come over here. So finally this 0 is of no value. The 0 before the number is no value, so you will remove it. Finally your answer is 5.7. This is your simplified answer. So in this way you can multiply by 10, 100 and 1000 to different decimal numbers. Okay, like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you students. See you for the next video.